Welcome dear friends. In this video, we'll show you how to factory reset iPhone without losing your apps and data. Step 1. Backup iPhone. There are two official ways with which you can backup your entire iPhone. One way is using iCloud, and another way is using your PC or Mac. I'll be showing it in iCloud, but if you would like to use your PC or Mac for backup, then please refer to the link in the description. Please open the iPhone Settings app. Tap on your profile name. Select iCloud. By default, all apps and data are backed up. You can select Show All and double-check or adjust as required. Select iCloud Backup. Tap Backup Now. This takes some time based on your backup size and Wi-Fi speed. Once the backup completes, please make a note of this backup time. Step 2. Reset iPhone. Don't worry much about resetting, because we've just taken a complete backup of your iPhone. Post WhatsApp migration, we will restore all your apps and data as is. With that said, please go to the Settings app. Scroll down and go to General. Down below over here choose Transfer or Reset. Please select Erase all content and settings. Please follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, enter your passcode and Apple ID password. Depending on your device, it may take some time to completely erase your data. Post-reset, your device will start as if you were setting this up for the very first time. Step 3. Restore all apps and data from the backup that we took in Step 1. Please proceed with the regular initial phone setup. This gives us option to restore your existing apps and data from our Step 1 backup. For my case, I'll be choosing Restore from iCloud Backup. But if you have your backup at Mac or PC, please choose this accordingly. This is very important, you should use the same Apple ID credentials on which the backup was done. If you could recall, this is the time I have noted at the end of my Step 1. Choose the same, and tap on Continue. It may take some time, so please be patient. At the end you'll get all your app's data back, but you should give some time for the actual app installation. This happens automatically, so please be patient. We have successfully restored all existing apps and data, and iPhone is at the same state before we started this video. I hope it was helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you've any questions or thoughts, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another helpful video.